Well, hello Westsiders. We got an interesting adventure today. So I've been hearing rumors that Rockahoola is getting torn down, but I drive by it a lot, going back and forth from Colorado and California, and I'm here and honestly it looks cleaner and nicer than ever. So we'll do a little one-wheel tour of Rockahoola for you guys, because it's not torn down. Maybe there's plans for it to be torn down, but not right now. Careful, Oj. Don't get poked. Yeah, actually it looks, a lot of these rooms are a lot cleaner than they were before. Oj, come on. Yeah, this was one of the buildings that collapsed / caught fire. And then back, a few years ago, maybe 4 or 5 years ago, I got stuck in one of these palm trees that are no longer standing. Somebody cut them down. I wanted to cut him down, but I didn't want to be the asshole to cut him down, so I didn't. Someone cut him down anyways. Oh, this building got torn down. I've definitely been stuck on the top of that building before. Well, I think it looks rippable. Oh, let's go fly some drones. Come on. Okay, well, let's get to flying drones. I hope you guys enjoy. Owie! That damn Scraggle. I'm not running the 03, so Scraggle's still a problem. Yeah, this is the Wasp camera. I'm not particularly happy with it. Let's get a new battery strap and some new props. Let's try that again.
devil is inside them.